When you want to say please or excuse me in Arabic, don't say min fadlak, min fadlik. Far too formal. Rather say la samahat to a male and la samahti to a female. Literally, if you please. Let's drill this. Much please in Arabic to the gender. لا سمحت. لا سمحت. لا سمحت. لا سمحتي. لا سمحت. لا سمحتي. That's it. No alphabet, no hyperformality, just real communication. Like and subscribe for more. Yalla.